Welcome to my channel. How do I install Brother printer drivers on Windows? Here are the easy steps to install Brother printer drivers on Windows, with explanations for each step. 1. Connect the printer to your computer. Use a USB cable or connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. 2. Visit Brother's support website. Go to the Brother website to find the correct drivers for your printer model. 3. Enter your printer model. Type your printer's model number into the search box and select it from the list of suggestions. 4. Choose your operating system. Select Windows from the drop-down list to get the right drivers for your system. 5. Download the full driver package. Click on the full driver and software package to download the recommended driver package. 6. Open the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your downloads folder and double-click to start the installation. 7. Follow the installation wizard. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. 8. Restart your computer if prompted. Some installations may ask you to restart your computer to complete the setup. 9. Test the printer. Once installed, print a test page to ensure the driver is working correctly. Done. Your Brother printer drivers are now installed and ready for use. Thanks for watching.